Hi everyone, welcome to the channel. In this video, I will show you how to update WhatsApp on iPhone. Write whether my solution helped you, whether you managed to do this or not. If you still have any questions, and let me know below in the comments, and I will definitely will answer. Please subscribe to the channel, put likes. Let's get started. And the first thing you need to do, go to Apple Store standard application on iPhone or iPad. Write the word WhatsApp and go to WhatsApp Messenger. Then here we can click Open. It means that already WhatsApp Messenger, our application, is naked to the latest version. If it says Update, it means that you need to click on Update, this blue button, and then your WhatsApp will be updated to the latest version. Another way to do this is to go to Settings. Open the General tab, iPhone Storage, and here search for WhatsApp, and then click Unload App. Unload. This will clear the cache, but you'll still have the documents and data, and all your messages will still be there. So you unload the app. You re-download it, thereby updating your application. This is the latest maximum version that is available, and released Apple Store. Here are 2 ways that you can actually apply and solve. If you like this video, subscribe to the channel. Put a like. Also write whether my solution helped you, whether it worked for you to do so. Thanks for watching. See you again. Goodbye.